There are faceless YouTube channels currently generating thousands of dollars in monthly revenue by operating on specific, repeatable patterns. They generate views without a human ever appearing on camera. Instead of guessing what might work, we are going to extract the specific topics and structure from a successful model. Then we'll use an AI workflow to transform that proven blueprint into a complete original video. To set this up, you only need 3 free tools: the Google Chrome browser, a standard Google account, and a free tier Canva account. Manual production is a bottleneck for single creators. Replacing individual filming and editing with an automated AI pipeline allows you to test dozens of niche concepts at once. This speed is the only practical way to build a high-volume digital income stream quickly. Step 1 is identifying your baseline. Open YouTube and find a successful monetized channel in a niche like personal finance or psychology. Look for a channel with consistent upload patterns and high view-to-subscriber ratios. To capture their data, go to the Chrome Web Store and install the Grab It extension. This tool allows you to scrape multiple links simultaneously. Open the Grab It settings to map your shortcuts. Set the mouse button to left-click and the modifier to Alt. For the action type, select Copy URLs to Clipboard and hit Save. Now go to the Target Channels Video tab. Hold the Alt key, then click and drag a selection box across their 10 to 15 most popular videos. When you release the mouse, those URLs are instantly stored in your clipboard, ready for analysis. Mastering this bulk scraping technique bypasses the slow process of individual copying. You now have a raw dataset representing the channel's most successful historical content. We will process this data using Google Notebook LM. This AI tool analyzes specific sources to extract patterns. Log in and create a new notebook to serve as your central research assistant. Click Add Source and select Website. Paste your clipboard of YouTube links directly into the box. The AI will now begin reading the video metadata to understand the context of the channel. Use the chat box to prompt the AI. Ask it to define the target audience, identify the most common educational hooks, and outline the specific script structure these videos use to maintain retention. Once the analysis is complete, prompt the AI to generate 10 new video concepts that follow this exact successful structure. Because these concepts are derived from the logic of a proven channel, you aren't guessing what will perform. You are targeting an audience that has already demonstrated a clear interest in these specific topics. Choose one concept from the list. Command the AI to write a full conversational video script for it, using the structure it just identified from the model channel. To generate the final video, copy that script and create a brand new, isolated notebook. Paste only the script as your source. Separating the script from original links ensures the AI uses only your final draft. In the Studio tab, select Explainer Format and Whiteboard Style to optimize the output for educational content. Click Generate. Notebook LM will now render a cohesive whiteboard video with a synchronized voiceover and timed animations in a single step. By batching the script processing in a dedicated notebook, you allow a free tool to generate a clear, technical explainer that would normally require separate software for recording and motion graphics. Standard YouTube AdSense requires reaching high watch hour thresholds. For a brand new channel, affiliate marketing provides a way to monetize as soon as you generate your first few hundred views. Find a product on a network like ClickBank that solves a problem mentioned in your video. Place that referral link in the description. Because your topic models a proven channel, you are targeting keywords with existing search volume, which helps the algorithm place your video in front of interested viewers. To capture that traffic, you need high contrast. Open Canva and create a blank thumbnail template. Use a simple stick figure graphic and a bold red rectangle for the background. Add a 4 to 6 word hook using a short, thick font to ensure it remains readable on the mobile device. When you combine a high click-through thumbnail with topics that already have established search demand, you create the opportunity for monetization without needing a pre-existing subscriber base. You have successfully moved from raw data extraction to a packaged, monetized digital asset. Return to your master notebook and take your remaining 9 concepts through this exact same workflow. Batching your content this way allows you to populate your channel quickly. The more videos you have targeting these proven niches, the more chances the algorithm has to serve your affiliate links to a global audience. This AI system shifts your role from manual producer to digital strategist. You aren't just making videos, you are building an automated content engine designed for long-term growth.